Welcome to Affordable Classics here in Gladstone, Oregon. You're looking at a gorgeous 1966 Mustang with the GT equipped hood scoop. The paint is called Sahara Desert. It's a beautiful beige, equipped with a 289 4-speed air-conditioned car. Gorgeous wheels and tires. This is a really very good looking car. It has the trumpets, which is the dual exhaust. GT top cap, the trumpets, backup lights. Here again, all the glass, door panels, everything. Pony Interior, air conditioned with the 4-speed hearse, dash, no issues. Headliners, no issue whatsoever. Very, very nice looking pony. When I purchased this, I just love the color. You don't see this color at all. Very, very rare. And it's combined with the stripes, which is very nice. Chrome bumpers, no issues whatsoever. Here again, the best part, engine compartment, very clean, air conditioned.
You want to turn on the compressor? Show that.
Yeah.
Ice cold.
It's ice cold air conditioned, which if you live in a hot place, it's perfect, perfect. It's got the wood, it's got the rally pack. Yeah, I'm gonna get out. 4-speed hearse. Oh, it comes with the seat belts also. Let me open the trunk. Very, very clean. That's the best part. You start it right up. Turnkey.
I have the spare.
Sorry about the no spare tire, but
I have it. I removed.
we have a spare tire. We just haven't put it in. Very clean. You could tell somebody took very well care. Very nice paint. All the rubbers. Everything is done correct. Let me put the hood down. Can you show the scoop? This car, there's no issues at all. That's the way to buy cars. You turn the key and you have fun. Here again, I'll let my son.
Let me show you the fog lights.
The fog lights work, which is very nice. Headlights, horn works, wipers. I mean, this is the way to buy a Mustang pony. I love the sound. There you go with little burn rubber.